If GIMP is giving you a GPU error, crashing on launch, or freezing before you can even open the program, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix a GIMP GPU error on Windows step by step. We'll disable OpenCL, clear out potentially corrupted GIMP files, and then make sure your graphics drivers are clean and up to date. This is one of the most effective fixes when GIMP is struggling with graphics card or OpenCL issues. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's deal with the most common cause of this issue, which is OpenCL acceleration. If GIMP is crashing immediately, you may not even be able to get into the app settings, so we need to force GIMP to ignore the GPU using an environment variable. On Windows, open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the window that opens, click Environment Variables at the bottom. Now look under User Variables. Click New. In the variable name box, type GEG use OpenCL. In the variable value box, type No. This tells GIMP not to use OpenCL acceleration. Once that is entered, click OK, then OK again to save everything. This step is important because if the OpenCL layer is the part causing the crash, disabling it can stop the error instantly. Now open GIMP again and see if it launches normally. If it still gives you trouble, the next thing to do is clear the GIMP cache and configuration files. Sometimes corrupted settings can conflict with your graphics card configuration and cause structural errors, slow launches, or crashes. To do this on Windows, press Windows +R on your keyboard. In the run box, type %appdata%+gimp and press enter. Inside that folder, you'll usually see a version folder like 2.10 or 3.0 depending on your installation. Instead of deleting it right away, rename that folder to something like backup. This is a safer way to reset GIMP's configuration because it lets the program rebuild fresh settings the next time it launches. After renaming the folder, close everything and try opening GIMP again. If the error was caused by a bad config file or cache issue, this can completely fix it. If GIMP still has a GPU error after that, the next step is to perform a clean GPU driver update. Outdated or buggy graphics drivers are one of the biggest reasons OpenCL programs become unstable. Go directly to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest stable driver. That means NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on what your computer uses. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, I highly recommend choosing the Studio driver instead of the Game Ready driver. Studio drivers are usually more stable for creative software like GIMP because they're tuned for reliability rather than gaming performance. Once you download the driver, install it cleanly, and if the installer gives you an option for a clean installation, use it. That can remove older driver conflicts that may be causing the GIMP GPU error. After the driver update is finished, restart your computer and launch GIMP again. At this point, GIMP should be using a cleaner driver environment, with OpenCL disabled if needed, and fresh configuration files rebuilt from scratch. For many users, that combination is enough to completely fix the crash or GPU error. So to quickly recap, if GIMP is not opening because of a GPU or OpenCL problem, first disable OpenCL with the GEGLUS OpenEL environment variable, then clear the GIMP app data folder by renaming the configuration directory, and finally update your graphics drivers from the official source. Those 3 steps solve most GIMP GPU errors on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more fix-it videos, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific GIMP error or another software issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.